Welcome back to Money and You, where we talk about the truths no one dares to tell you. Today, we're diving into the uncomfortable reality. These are not just habits. These are traps, and if you don't recognize them, they'll keep you poor forever. Habit 1, spending before you earn. You plan the vacation before payday. You swipe the card before you check the balance. The poor live in the future of debt. The rich? They spend after the work is done. Habit 2, making excuses instead of money. Poor people are experts in one thing, reasons why they can't. Rich people, they look for reasons why they must. Excuses don't pay rent. Action does. Habit 3, hating the rich. If you resent wealth, you'll reject it when it comes. You can't attract what you secretly despise. Habit 4, trading time for money. Forever you work 8 hours to earn enough for 4. The rich build systems. If your income stops when you stop, you're not free. You're trapped. Habit 5, avoiding financial education. You know what all the Netflix shows, but not how a mutual fund works. That's not entertainment. That's mental poverty. Habit 6, hanging out with broke-minded people. You are the average of your 5 closest friends. If none of them talk about growth, you'll all stay poor together. Habit 7, living for instant gratification. Fast food, fast thrills, fast money. That's the formula for slow destruction. Habit 8, never investing. You save money in a bank and lose to inflation. The poor fear risk, the rich manage it. Habit 9, working hard, but not smart. Hard work is useless if it's in the wrong direction. Strategy beats sweat every single time. Habit 10, blaming the system instead of beating it. Yes, the system is unfair, but no one's coming to save you. Winners learn the rules and then break them. We all have poor habits. The difference, the rich replace them. If you saw yourself in any of these, it's time to evolve, because staying poor is a choice, especially after watching this video. Follow Money and You, where your money starts working for you.